Okay, this is going to be 5 tips to increase OnlyFans chat earnings and exactly what's the hindrance behind them. Okay, lesson number 1, it'll be overusage of words. I've expressed this many different times to many different people, and I'm getting the word across out that you are utilizing too many dopamine-driven emojis and words. They become unmeaningful when you spam it. Now, let me give you an analogy. If you were dating a woman, I hope some of you are, and if you're a woman watching this, please tell me that I'm correct. Let's just say you are on your first date with a girl. It is quite the most magical time of the world. Now let's say that date ended up to an extension of 7 months of relationship. And on the 7th month, the girl comes to you and she says, "Hey, I'm ready for bed." Your feelings are gonna go through the roof that the fact that you've worked so hard to get there. Now imagine she came on the first date and through every single day throughout those 7 months, she said, "I'm horny, let's get into bed." How unmeaningful would it feel when she said it on the 7th month? It'll be demotivating, it'll be unfulfilling. So when I express this into OnlyFans chats, people start coming in inside of the chats and calling the subscribers babe. They calling them all these kinds of names. Babe, I'm so horny, want to see this, showcasing the most valuable part of a woman for the cheapest price possible in hopes for a sale. So what I try to express to many people is you will not go far. You will build solid spenders, but you will never, ever build whales. And that's the key to OnlyFans subscriptions. Okay, number 2, you are not utilizing non-explicit purchases. And what I mean by that, you might be asking me, give me some examples, and I'll get to that. But first, you are selling sexuality, but you're not selling love. A man's heart will pour more money than a man's dick. I will tell you that straight up, okay? So if you try to utilize love through the chats, you will get a grasp on more money than you know what to deal with when you were having him purchase dinners, virtual dinners, send him receipts, coffees, pay for rent, pay for makeup sets, pay for Louis Vuitton bags, pay for Hermes bags, anything in the world that you are a customer to, and you have him purchase this, thereon increasing your earnings to a substantial amount other than showcasing all of what the vault has. Number 3, poor model framing. Exactly what I mean by poor model framing. You guys are not referencing the Instagram of the model's IG while you're chatting. Get your chatters to have any relevant information of the model's time zone, have the model's IG, have anything regarding her personal life that she's posted on social media in the touch of the chatters. What I mean by that is if the model is in a cafe posted 5 minutes ago on the IG story, how the hell are you going to sell a script? And people might think it doesn't matter what are you talking about? It does matter, because that sub who might be a whale is stalking every part of the model's biography, every part of the model's actions that are taken that day. So your chatters need to be aware that the model's posted this. And you might be able to say, yeah, I posted that 3 hours ago, but these guys know sundown is coming around 6 p.m. How the hell is it still light out? You know what I mean? Exactly what I mean by that. There's so many intricacies that you don't want to delve into because they're a topic that will ruin the trust inside your chats. Okay, number 4, you are not structured enough. And this is structured in terms of your chat teams. When I see people's chat teams, I see their chats inside, how they structure their OnlyFans chats. It's quite horrendous to see what's going on. First off, you have 10 different things on the name of the subscriber. Please, we are in the new age, use emoji categorization. It is far much better than utilizing anything that you are writing them down. This will cause a lot more confusion, and even if you have new people coming onto the chats, they will start going and blinking rapidly at what the hell is in front of their face inside the chats. Another unstructured characteristic is poor vault management. You need to have exactly each script laid out, named, numerized, and have them understand who the model is at what time and what time they're sending things. I've had time and time again, chatters come around and say, hey, I resent something. I sent something and I mixed up script 1 and script 2. It's nighttime and now it's daytime. They sent something that was nighttime when in the model's real location, it was bright dawn. So this needs to be a massive structure that you guys have coherent enough chatters and understanding of what they're doing inside of the chats to not get into dilemmas like that. Let me give you a few tips on how to help that out. Use emoji categorization. If you don't know what it is, you can create your own system or you can text me. I don't mind. Number 2, utilize note-taking on the CRMs. If you're not utilizing a CRM, i.e. Inflow, Creator Hero, Only Monster, Fans Metric, start utilizing them. A lot of them have transfer options. If you ever need to utilize that, contact one of them. I do not. I'm not affiliated with any one of them, so yeah. Okay, last and not least, underutilization of voice notes. So I have many clients that I've came across and I have had to back-to-back, this is practically 90% of them, give them structured text to voice written for the model to pre-record. And what I mean by that is when your chatters are working, you want to make it as easy as possible for them to sell money because that money is going directly to their pockets and your pockets. So why not make efficiency better? At the end of the day, you are a business owner. So if you need to utilize anything to your extent, it is voice notes. Voice notes will bring warmth into the conversation, it will bring reality, and it will bring real-time energy into conversations, and you just might get that extra sale. If you can increase your sales by 20%, by 5%, by 1% from having a chatter have pre-recorded voice notes that you can on the side, if your CRM allows it, put it in text written format so they know exactly which one is which. Utilize it in the middle of chats. Sales will skyrocket. I will tell you that right now. Another thing is you can sell voice notes for high amounts of money. A lot of people sell pay-per-views, but they do not sell high-ticket voice notes. A guy wants to hear what the model wants to say. This is one of the biggest underdeveloped things inside of OnlyFans chats. If you disagree, I don't know what to tell you. I'll stay continuing. You won't. Okay, so that shall be the end of the video. I hope I gave you kind of an understanding on what your hindrances are. If you have any more questions, don't reach out to me. I'm a very busy man. Enjoy yourself and have a good day.